Today, I will show you how to refresh your SLTV decoder to restore channels after subscription. Sometimes you subscribe, but channels are not showing up. How do you do it? It's very simple. Just go to your browser, either on your phone or your PC, and come on the search right here and then type or enter sltvpro.com and log into their official website. So as I said, it must be a web browser because right now you can't do this on your mobile app. After that, enter. It will bring you into their official site. So come here and tap on this recharge your SLTV today. It will load and bring you into this window to put your decoder ID and then password. So for decoder ID, you can go into your decoder and turn it upside down, and at the bottom right there you can see your ID number that starts with SB. So come here and put your ID number. I'll come here and put mine, for instance. So if you put your decoder ID on this password right here, you can come here and put your default password. That is the SLTV default password, which is SLTV Metro, all in small letter, just like this. So you can see all in small letter. After that, come here and tap on this login. So you will log into your own portal, into your own dashboard. You can see right now I'm in my own portal. You can see, right? So right now, to refresh your decoder after subscription, you can see here, just come right here and tap on this refresh right here. And you bring to this page, then come right here and tap on this refresh again. And you can see right here, refresh STB successfully. So after that, you can go now and then check your channels. They will be showing. But if after checking and they're not coming up, you can still come again and repeat this process. Come again and then refresh again, and then go there and check. I believe it will show. Just wait like 10 minutes or maybe 15 minutes and your channels will be restored and your views will also be restored. Your subscription will be active or your package will be active. So that is it. It's very simple. Thanks for watching and bye.